what's up guys? Isang mapagpalang araw naman sa ating lahat dyan. O, diba? For today's video guys, nandito ako sa school ni Bibay dahil nag-aaral siya ng summer class. Ito yung mga ano nila. Ngayon kasi yung last nila, last klase. Kaya pinapunta yung mga parents. Shout out kay Bibay. Hello. Hi, di yun. Diba? Ngayong last class nila guys. May program doon. Kaya pinapunta yung mga parents. Ako lang pumunta dahil nagtrabaho yung asawa ko. Oo, diba? Oo. Ready na sila guys. Maya guys, magsimula na yung program para may ibigay sa kanilang notebook na supply. Okay guys, mamaya lang guys. Ayan guys. Ayan, nagantay na sila Biboy. Hi boy. Ito yung programa nila guys. Bawat bata makababasa program. Community program June 5, 2025. Diba? Yan yung ano nila guys. Ngayon yung last. Oh. Ayan guys, ready na yung mga estudyante guys. Marami din sila. Ito yung mga nanay.
Guys, darabi guys.
Oo. Yun o. Shout out sa mga nanay dia. Pero boy. Guys. Simula na to rin guys. Ayan guys, nandiyan na yung mga teacher guys. Ang dami nila sa summer class. Ang mga nanay. Inaya si Biboy guys, formal na formal si Biboy. Excited na siya. Ayan yung teacher nila Biboy guys. Teacher nila Biboy. May certificate ata sila. Ayan guys, magsimula na ata guys. Si Biboy baka antukin na naman to.
Lon, lugangig bangko diri lon unong kabuok. Kaya lang sa office pagkuha. Bangko lon unong kabuok.
Ayan guys, magsimula na ata guys. Ayan guys, inaantok pa si Biboy guys. Tagal magsimula. Baka makatulong na naman to. You know? Naantok na yan. Kaya magsimula na guys.
Everyone, okay, let us now start our program. Every Filipino child should be able to read, comprehend, and enjoy reading at their grade level. According to the Bawat Bata Nakababasa program, or the BBMP, a nationwide reading campaign, which was started as part of the Department of Education's initiatives to close the achievement gap, emphasizes on core literacy abilities through teacher assistance, community engagement, and reading interventions. It aspires to a time when every child learns to read, acknowledging that reading is essential for both personal development and lifetime learning. To formally begin our program, may we invite everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Ma'am Emma Alcazar. Then the main standing for the opening prayer by Ma'am
Tindog boy.
Jeremy Perales.
Boy, tindog, tindog.
Okay, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, may I call on our Assistant School Principal, Sir Rustom P. Kamahalan, for his welcome remarks.
Dedication inspires us. Always remember, the ability to read open doors, countless opportunities.
Bawat Bata Makakabasa program.
Marunong magbasa, kaya mong abutin ang iyong mga pangarap. To our teachers, thank you for your unwavering dedication and creativity. Your tireless effort to innovate and adapt reading strategies have helped bring the love of learning into the hearts of our children. You have become the bridge between letters and comprehension, between confusion and understanding, between silence and confidence. To our parents and guardians, your support and hope has made all the difference. Your encouragement to read, to listen, and to be patient in this learning journey has strengthened the impact of this campaign. Truly, education lies when it is rooted in what school can hold. Our school principal, partners, stakeholders, and school learners, thank you for championing literacy, for investing time and resources into this advocacy. We believe in the vision bawat bata magkakabasa as we will progress. Rather than defense, serve to save learning space for our children. This government program was not one like that, but a new beginning.
Position is awarded to Christian J. Magalso.
Yan guys, nagsimula na guys. Nagbigay na ng mga certificate. Ayaw mo pagtutulod.
Position is awarded to Brian Magalso.
Boy, tawag ka. Ikaw na. Dali.
The certificate of
Sige,
position
Nini.
is awarded to Alex Noel D. Humalon.
Dito.
Diskusan. Gato, dito.
Certificate of completion is awarded to Junel L. Cuscusan.
Sada yun. Kel. Alay, Kel. Ikaw sana, Richilin.
Certificate of
Awiri na.
completion is awarded to Theon Alexis Sian Pato.
Lingkod sa dia, kaya pa naman. Congrats. Ayan guys, nakapila sila guys para sa kanilang snack. Oh, may snack ko pala. Ano rin rin po, iniguman. Ayaw mo tulod-tulod.
Linya dito.
Sa tumoy. Okay na na.
Rasoy.
Okay guys, nandito na kami sa bahay guys. Congrats kay B-Boy. Euro. Shout out kay Pimpi, mata kay Bibi. Oh. At saka shout out sa aking mga isda guys. You know. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Bye bye. Bang.